Fire up flavor anywhere with a compact grill built for real outdoor cooking. Best portable BBQ machine options combine power, portability, and performance for camping, picnics, tailgates, and balconies. Discover grills that travel easily and cook like full-size backyard favorites. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart CGG 306 BBQ Machine. The Cuisinart CGG 306 Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Grill is a premium choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want full-size grilling performance in a compact, travel-ready form. Designed for convenience, this grill sets up in under 10 minutes without tools, making it ideal for spontaneous cookouts, camping trips, tailgating events, or backyard gatherings. Its dual stainless steel burners deliver a combined 20,000 BTUs of power, providing strong, even heat that rivals many larger grills. Independent control knobs allow you to create custom heat zones, which is especially useful when cooking different foods simultaneously, such as steaks on one side and vegetables on the other. The stainless steel cooking grates distribute heat evenly and retain temperature well, producing consistent searing results while being easy to clean. Despite its robust performance, the CGG 306 remains highly portable at just 22 pounds. The locking legs, folding legs, and integrated carry handle make transport and storage effortless, even in small vehicles or limited spaces. Its electronic ignition ensures reliable starts, eliminating the frustration of manual lighting. This grill is particularly well-suited for users who value a balance between power and portability. Number 2. Cuisinart 150 square-inch BBQ Machine. The Cuisinart 150 square-inch BBQ machine is an excellent option for users who prioritize portability, quick setup, and versatile cooking configurations. With a 150 square-inch porcelain-enameled cooking grate, it comfortably accommodates up to 8 burgers or several chicken breasts, making it well-suited for small families, picnics, or tailgating. Its 5,500 BTU burner delivers steady, consistent heat, while the twist to start ignition simplifies operation by eliminating the need for matches or lighters. One of its standout features is the VersaStand telescoping base, which allows the grill to transition seamlessly from a tabletop unit to a freestanding grill. This flexibility is particularly valuable for users who grill in different environments, such as balconies, campsites, and parks. Number 3. Techwood 1600-watt BBQ Machine. The Techwood 1600-watt BBQ machine stands out as a versatile electric grill designed for users who need a compact, landlord-approved alternative to gas or charcoal grilling. Its space-saving size fits neatly into car trunks, making it a practical option for camping, RV trips, tailgating, or apartment balconies. The interlocking hood and bowl design promote rapid heating, allowing the grill to reach cooking temperature quickly, while adjustable temperature controls provide flexibility for different foods. With 5 heat settings and an integrated temperature probe, users can fine-tune cooking conditions to achieve optimal results for meats, vegetables, and seafood. The 240 square-inch cooking surface offers ample capacity for large batches, accommodating over 15 servings at once, which is impressive for a portable electric grill. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates enhance heat retention and durability while remaining easy to clean. The fully electric system eliminates the need for propane or charcoal, reducing flare-ups and making it safer for restricted environments. Its venting system helps dissipate excess heat, maintaining consistent cooking conditions and preserving moisture in foods. Overall, the Techwood 1600-watt BBQ machine is an excellent choice for users seeking a portable, high-capacity electric grill that delivers reliable performance without the logistical challenges of fuel-based models. Number 4. CUSIMAX Non-Stick Barbecue Machine. The CUSIMAX non-stick barbecue machine offers a unique indoor grilling experience that combines versatility, convenience, and social dining functionality. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this electric grill heats efficiently and supports a wide range of cooking tasks, from grilling meats and seafood to preparing crepes, pancakes, and eggs. Its reversible non-stick baking tray features both a grooved surface for classic grill marks and a flat surface for breakfast or dessert items, effectively functioning as a two-in-one appliance. Adjustable heating control and an indicator light allow precise temperature management, ensuring consistent results across different recipes. The inclusion of 8 independent racklet trays adds significant value, enabling simultaneous preparation of cheese dishes, desserts, or warming sides for up to 8 people. This makes it especially suitable for parties, family dinners, or casual gatherings. The removable trays and reversible baking plate simplify cleaning, while the non-stick coating ensures easy food release. With a compact 19 by 9-inch footprint, the grill is easy to store and transport, making it a practical addition to kitchens with limited space. Number 5. Electactic Tailgating Barbecue Machine. The Electactic Tailgating Barbecue Machine is designed for users who need a high-capacity, portable gas grill capable of serving larger groups. Featuring a generous 348 square inch cooking surface, it can accommodate up to 15 burgers or 20 sausages at once, making it ideal for backyard parties, tailgates, and family gatherings. Heavy-duty cast iron grates provide excellent heat retention and durability, while resisting rusts, peeling, and bending. A powerful 15,000 BTU burner ensures consistent, even heating, while the sealed firebox lid helps lock in moisture for juicier results. The grill operates on propane fuel cans and includes 4 adjustable temperature settings, allowing precise control for cooking a variety of foods. A built-in thermometer provides real-time heat monitoring, enhancing cooking accuracy. The foldable design allows the grill to collapse into a compact form for easy storage in garages or vehicle trunks. 2 directional wheels improve mobility, making it easy to move the grill between locations. The non-stick grilling surface simplifies cleanup, reducing post-cooking effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon